a creature that sometimes behave like a human. They are aquatic mammals and highly smart living beings. Yes, we are talking about dolphins, the fast swimmers. In this video, we are talking about some of the interesting facts about dolphins. Let's begin the video. They do not drink water. Dolphins don't need water like humans do. Dolphins don't drink water from the sea in which they swim. In fact, they get their water intake from the food they consume like fish and squid, as they contain a large amount of water. Lifespan. The lifespan of dolphins are around 30 to 40 years. Mostly parasites and diseases are the main cause of dolphins' death. The longest lived dolphin was of 61 years. Most endangered species. The bottlenose dolphin are the most endangered, but there is a subspecies of Hector's dolphin known as Maui dolphin that is critically endangered and estimated to have a population of only 55. Biggest dolphin. Orca is the world's largest dolphin. It is popularly known as killer whale. The Hector's dolphin is the smallest them of all. Fastest dolphin. Among the biggest sized dolphins, Orca is the fastest at the speed of 34.5 miles per hour. Other than that, if we talk about small dolphins, then bottlenose dolphin is the fastest with the speed of 18 miles per hour. Swallow food without chewing. Dolphins don't chew their food. Their teeth are used to grip prey. It is said that they do so that their prey or food don't run away. They skip the process of chewing so that their meal doesn't escape. Longest memory. According to a study, the longest social memory ever recorded other than human are of dolphins. According to a study, they can remember signature contact, whistle, for more than 20 years. No sense of smell and taste. Due to the lack of olfactory nerve or lobes, they have no sense of smell. Generally, they use their taste as we use our smell. One study showed that bottlenose dolphin can identify chemicals such as citric acid. Sleeps using one brain hemisphere. While sleeping, bottlenose dolphin shuts one side of the brain opposite to the eye open. The other half of the brain stays awake, little less active. They use their attentive side to watch for predator and other animals. Intelligent marine creature. They have complex behavior. Their brains are larger than humans. Their complex neurons are responsible for self-awareness and increased problem-solving capacity. They use a language to communicate and coordinate hunting. That's why they are considered as intelligent marine creature. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.